The Philips digital air fryer is a revolutionary tool for making your favorite fried foods a whole lot healthier. Instead of using oil, it works by precisely circulating super hot air around your food to get the crispy, golden brown results of deep frying without the fat. Let's see it in action as we make some French fries. So you can use frozen fries from the grocery store, or you can cut up potatoes as I've done today. If you're starting with fresh potatoes, you're going to want to make sure to cut them into evenly sized pieces. And the width is more important to match up than the length. Then just soak them in water for about 30 minutes to help remove some of the starch from the potatoes. That's going to help them get nice and crispy. My potatoes have already been soaking for about that long, so I'm just going to take them out and dry them off on a paper towel really well. Next, they go into the bowl. We're going to add a little bit of oil. So let's just drain them. These are perfectly cut. I love this matchstick size. I'm just going to dry them a little bit more. We don't want any moisture on them. So they're nice and dry. Let's just add them to this bowl, and I'll toss them with just a little bit of oil. You really only need about a half a tablespoon to a tablespoon total. So I'm just making sure all of my fries are really well coated with a little bit of oil and salt and pepper. Okay, great. Let's put them in. Now this is already preheated to 360 degrees, and you can see I'm just going to pull this basket right out. Now if you wanted to do 2 layers of frying, you could with this removable rack. I'm just using this basket today. You want to make sure not to push this button when you're moving this in and out, because that will release the entire basket. Okay, so let's put the fries in. Oh my gosh, you can already hear them crisping. I'll put it back in at 360 degrees for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to stir them and turn it up to 390 degrees. It just went off and we've hit the 5-minute mark, so I'm going to turn it up to 390 degrees, give them a stir, and let them go for about another 15 minutes. I actually like to stir them every few minutes as well, so I'll stop probably every 5. All right, now I'll show you. Take them out, they're starting to crisp. They look great. Just put them back in, and I'll set the timer again. Our fries are done, so let's take a look. Oh my gosh, they look fantastic. See how brown and crispy they got? That's pretty incredible. I'm just gonna take this down, and you can see I'll push the button to release the basket. These are great. Do this every day. Sweet potatoes, regular ones. This matchstick size is perfect too. They really did get super crispy. That back in, maybe a little more salt. Then we get to try them. Let's have a taste. These are some great French fries. The air fryer makes more than just French fries though. You can use it for chicken, breaded fish, vegetables, even donuts. You can make batch after batch. And when it's time to clean up, the basket and the tray can go right into the dishwasher.